Hi friends, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to my another video. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back a new day. In this video, I am going to show you pencil shavings, craft ideas, how you can reuse the pencil shavings into beautiful art. Please watch my full video till end. Pencil shavings craft is a creative form of artwork that involves using the curled, often colorful shavings left behind when pencils are sharpened. These delicate spirals and flakes are typically made from wood and come in various shades and textures. Depending on the type and color of the pencil, the shavings are carefully preserved and arranged on paper or other surfaces to form decorative patterns, abstract designs, or combined with other materials for mixed media art. The craft is known for its use of recycled material, fine detail, and the natural aesthetic. How simple leftovers from stationery can be transformed into visual art. You can make flower arts, butterfly designs, tree of seasons, mandala art, and many other things. I really hope that you're really enjoying all the ideas that I shared with you. Pencil shavings craft is a form of creative art that uses the curled wooden pieces for left after sharpening a pencil. These colorful spiral-like shavings are typically delicate and textured. These colorful spiral-like shavings are typically delicate and textured, offering a natural aesthetic that makes them perfect for decorative use. Artists and hobbyists often glue them onto paper, canvas, or card to enhance artwork with texture and dimension. This craft not only promotes recycling but also encourages fine motor skills and creativity, especially among children. It is commonly used in school projects, greeting cards, wall decor, and mixed media art. The variations in shape, size, and color of pencil shavings allow for endless possibilities in design and composition. Our designs are very fabulous and very great. You can easily do it at home in your summer vacations with your kids. I really hope that you're really enjoying all the different and unique ideas. So guys, keep supporting me and keep watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Wait for my next video. You will see many other different and unique craft ideas of pencil shavings. I really hope that you really enjoying it. Once again, thanks for watching my video. God bless you guys. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and do share my videos as much as you can.